Texas.
It finally took a while just for this thing just to get on.
Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar and
Holy moly.
indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Estoy viendo Audio.
Holy shit.
I think that was, hopefully we'll find out, but I reckon that was a George call. Because when you're not feeling confidence, you think, just give me 2 efforts and I'll build myself in. I know how to take hold around here. His heart would have been thumping and
Small creeks and
Holy moly.
highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience land.
you don't apologize for being
West University. Northwestern Magnolia, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Spring Branch West, Adams Park 10, Spring Branch North and Spring Valley. Turn around, home travel and encountering a flood of road. Most flood deaths occur on your course.
as you're coming towards the end.
I got that one. Holy.
You're right there. You got it. But you cannot back off. That's the hard part. You cannot go. I'm gonna give
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for northern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Harris County.
New Barracuda straps and 19 and their prime way you get
Es el momento.
Okay, yes on.
again. We gotta talk. ¿Qué entiendes en tu celular? Que lo que mi abuela pasó.
Shortly, hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar.
Holy shit. This is gonna be going in longest AS, so it's ever. What the? The heck? What the fuck? The heck? Oh.